Hi guys, it's Scott from C2 Renewable Solutions, and I'm just wanting to talk to you today about how we put you, the new potential client, at the heart of everything that we do when we're looking to install a solar panel system, an air source heat pump system at your property. Any potential client who contacts C2, we try to understand first and foremost the reason why they've made the call today. Is it because they've seen their electricity bills increase over a period of time, or they would like to purely go green and do their bit for the environment? Or what we're really seeing is a combination of the both, where people want to do their bit, but they also want to try and make a significant impact on their own electrical spend. So first and foremost, we try to understand how much you are currently spending on your electricity, and we do that through your bill. So we try to understand how much you're spending, what rate of electricity you're being charged, and what your lifestyle is like. Are you in the property during the day, or are you out, or are you majority of the time using your electricity in the evening, in the morning, or do you have family that you work from home, or you have a small family where you're in a lot of the time? Or potentially you're thinking of installing a new electric car and having a charge point where your consumption is going to increase. And then we look at what type of roof space you have, or where you were thinking that you would like to install a solar panel system, for example, on your property. And we can do that via, in the first instance, as a desktop analysis via Google Earth. We can pinpoint your property. We can look at the roof space that you would ideally like to be installed upon, and we can ascertain a dimension from Google Earth as well. So in the first instance, we understand how much you're spending, we understand your reason why, and we look at where it could potentially go. That's a really good indication. It gives me a lot of information in terms of what we then could propose as a system for your property. The next thing we look at is whether or not you would like a certain variety in quotes, whether it be you wanted the best of the best in terms of what can be purchased, i.e. panel wise and inverter wise, whether or not you want just a simple system which will generate a certain amount of electricity which will be fed back to one single inverter which collects all of the generated electricity, or whether or not you wanted an optimized system where every single panel does as best it possibly can, and that tends to generate a little bit more electricity. But that will be tailored towards the individual. That then gives me all the information that I need to produce a proposal, and then should the potential client be then interested to talk further, we will then come out to site and do a free site survey to have a look at everything that we've spoken about so far, where the panels are going, where it would link back into your fuse board, and then discuss potential scaffolding if required, and then potentially discuss installation dates. So that's our very simple process in terms of trying to understand how much you are currently using, why you would like to think about installing a renewable system at your property right now, and then the practicalities of what could be installed. If this is something that you think you would like to explore, please just give us a call on 023 81 11 2296, or my email is scott@c2renewablesolutions.co.uk, and I'll be happy to help and discuss any kind of system or potential queries that you might have with any of the systems that we install. Okay, thanks very much.